Today we will be discussing how to fix a latched out reel on a Series 70,000 reel. A latched out reel is when you can't pull the hose or cord forward anymore or retract it back in because it's locked in position. To fix this, you will need to disengage the latch to have it go back into place. There are a few ways to disengage the latch. If your reel is within reach, you can manually turn it forward to disengage it with your hands, then have it go back into place. If you can't reach it, or if you're at the end of the spring and latch, use a long, flathead screwdriver to push on the latch to disengage it. Make sure you hold the hose when releasing the latch to control it retracting back into place. To help prevent this from happening again, make sure you have the U-bolt in the correct location for your guide arm. For more how-to videos, visit reelcraft.com.